Josh, ito pa yung mga ano, matings. Sir, sa ilaw to, sir.
Oh.
Ayan po yung bright.
Ito type.
Yes po.
Oh,
Lagay nyo na lang po.
Oh. Sana. Oh. Good.
We are currently here sa C5. And guys, inaantok na ako. Oh my God. I just wanna go home. Pero, nagpapalagay tayo ng RFID. Right over there. Oh my gosh. Nahila na ako sa ng ulo ko. I just wanna rest. And ayokong lagnatin sana. Because nagpapaguling pa rin ako. So, bawal ako mapagod. So yan.
Yes po. And cash. Sa cash mo, may less na ano.
Busy nakangap. Hi. Irby, it's Steve. Kaya maghahanap tayo ng pagamitin natin ay ng dessert for tonight. Tapos manlilibre si Ruby ng flakes. Sumahod siya sa NCR.
Bait talaga niya.
Yung pinabot-pabot niya lahat yun. Sa mga nagtakta na, 20k lang po sa amin.
Uy! Yes! Uy! Okay lang po, Sora! Ay, gago. Uy, bakit? On! Tinalas ko sa'yo. Kailangan.
Tahimik.
3, 2, 1! Ah! Huwag yung matali. Okay lang. Tapos. Nakakamada. Ay, bonus na.
We are gonna go to town because Dad has to fix his eSIM sa Globe, and then while he's doing that, we're gonna get 3 gifts for my tita, her son, and her dad because they will be having a triple celebration tonight for their birthdays. And then I kind of want to get coffee too, but the thing is I don't want to stay out too long because it's really hot out. As in, tinitingnan ko pa lang yung bintana ko, parang ayoko nang lumabas, but we have to. So, ayun. And then after that, we will be going home again because the plan is to just use one car tonight para din makatipid sa gas. But, I don't know, mahirap kasi mag one car sa amin because usually may gustong umuwi na agad, tas merong gusto pa magstay. So, if one wants to go home, then it means we have to go home na talaga. Like all of us. So, I might bring my own car if tuloy yung overnight natin kila Lance. But I think they have something sa bahay nila. May ganap ata sa bahay nila. So, hindi ko pa sure if tuloy. But I will bring extra clothes just in case tuloy yun. And makikita niyo naman sa vlog if tuloy siya or hindi. So, we shall see. Let's go to town, guys. I'll see you there. We are done shopping. It's just so awkward to film in public. Like, what the heck? But I'm pretty sure no one cares. So, okay lang. I kind of want to get matcha. But I don't know if we have time. I just got home and let's do a mini haul of everything that I got today. Hindi it no fun, but yeah, it's from Centera and it's Shangri-La inspired. I feel like out of all the hotels, Shangri-La talaga yung gusto kong scent. So, I got that. And then, we actually checked out their perfume before. Kaso, we forgot how much. So, ngayon, tinanong ko na how much. And actually, 700 lang yung perfume nila. So, I got one for Lance because he's been wanting this scent for quite a while now. And I just got it for him. Something about men's perfume na ang sakit sa ulo. So, hindi ako masyado fan. But yeah, whatever makes him happy. Then tayo. This is the only other thing that I got. Which is charger for the car. Nasa kotse na siya. Ito yung box. Yung laman lang nito is yung baon kong Pocari Sweat. Kasi ang init talaga today and I don't think water is gonna cut it for hydration. And I also got matcha from Fuji-san. Thoughts about this. It's kind of watered down, honestly. It's almost like Starbucks matcha. Walang tatalo sa matcha ng matcha bar and Suji. We are just waiting for my brother and lolo and ate to get ready. Kasi ako, magpapalit lang ako to pants. Tapos shoes and then we're gonna go na. Let's go meet my boyfriend! He's parking. Hindi na ako kita. But he's literally in front of me. So, ay, ang layo naman niya mag-park.
Hi guys! It's Creed. Oh yan! Tagal kong hinahanap to! Akala ko oh my god, na sa'yo. Oh my god, naiwan ko. Yan, tagal kong hinahanap yun. I'm like, holy shit! Saan ko makahanapin? Just in case, kasi alam kong gusto mag-Starbucks ng baby ko.
What?
Nag-spray na ako ng isa.
This is the Creed?
Yeah.
Okay, like. Oh!
Amoy lalaki. I don't like it. No.
You want?
Amoy lalaki. I need air.
Sorry, tito vibes na tayo today. Malatito na tayo. Okay. Time to bounce.
Let's go!
Pagpakawag sa akin, nakala niya kasi iniwan ko daw. Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time.
NCR sa lang eh.
We are gonna be going to Molita today. We are parked na sa town. It's my first time parking in public with this car. Because remember the last time we were here, si Lance nag-drive. So, ayan, it's my first time and I'm kinda embarrassed because I kinda relied on the camera, which I don't normally do because yung dati kong kotse wala namang back cam. Guys, the weather is so nice today. It's not hot. Guys, sobrang init. Sobrang init. I cannot. But ang daming booth. Okay,
my God, ang cool. Wait.
Anong matcha yan?
Ano? Matcha latte.
Matcha latte.
Okay.
Gusto ko siya.
Umami nga siya. Maumami. Wow, my goodness. Umami.
Gusto ko,
Nutty siya.
hintayin ko yung reaction mo.
Nutty siya. Okay.
Baka same tayo ng iisipan. Sarap!
Ano siya? Asa niya?
Gusto mo sabihin ko na kung anong lasa niya? Okay, lasang biko.
Oh,
Lasang suma.
ano? Bakit ganun? Ano yan? Nasa na siyang ganun?
Lasang suma na biko. Yung ano kasi, yung syrup. So yan, nakakaloka yung hangin. Hindi nagkaka-afraid.
Ito ba kalipa rin?
Sige, ako dito. Hawakan ko.
Okay. Sticker hall, pink. Kasi hindi ko favorite yung pink. To be cringe is to be free. I am afraid, but I'll do it anyway.
Good. Ano to? Ah, okay. Ito yung pangalan nila.
Ah,
Sabi ko, may kinuha ko ba?
inisip ko.
Babalik ba ako dun para ibalik? Flower. Tapos, love a girl.
From what shop? Ayan, i-endorse na
Hindi ko
natin yung
alam.
shop.
Pero dahil hindi natin alam, ayan, sila na nagbigay. Name ng shop ay Gracer. Hindi ko alam kung nagpo-focus, pero okay lang yun. Cute! And then, good luck.
Akin lang yung good luck.
Oo.
Okay, next.
Pininindigan ko na siya.
Think frog. Everything I desire comes my way. Tapos, ano siyang postcard?
Oo.
Yung postcard sticker. Enjoy the process of becoming. Yes! Mga ano to?
Reminder.
Mga mantra.
Yeah.
Mantra.
Reminder of Pag ganun nilalagay mo pa siya ng shoes. Sinabi niya talaga.
So, nakakatawa. Hey guys, we just ate in mantra. And I think I could say, I could do the
Hindi mo nga kaya. Sige.
Left, right.